Often the AND function is used in combination with the IF function, and that is often because if the test requires more than one condition to be met, we need to use the AND function to do that. In D3, I'm going to click and add a function. I'm going to type equals if, open bracket, if, and then AND, open bracket. Now, if B3 is equal to logs, comma, and C3 is greater than 1,000, if both of those conditions are met, close bracket, then if that's true, I want to see A logs. But if, open bracket, and, open bracket, B3 contains the text pulp, and C3 is greater than 500, if both of those conditions are met, then I want to see A pulp. But if, open bracket, and, open bracket, B3 contains the text paper, and C3 is greater than 1,000, then I want to see A paper. Otherwise, just show me B grade. There are 3 ifs, so I need 3 close brackets. So the AND function is a function in its own right, so it has its own open and close brackets. And with the use of a comma, you can stipulate up to 255 conditions that have to be met. So if this is the case, and this is the case, and this is the case, and that's all true, then say A logs. And when I press enter, I have A logs because I have the type logs and it's greater than 1,000. If I click on D3, double click the thin cross and fill it down, I can see that certain rows show B grade.